In this question, a polynomial function px equals 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus kx minus 13, where k is a constant, has 2x minus 1 as a factor. Determine the value of k. Okay, so what you need to do in this question is find this value k. And we're given the information that 2x minus 1 is a factor. Now, if 2x minus 1 is a factor, that's implying that p to the half equals 0. And this is from your factor theorem. So we're going to need to evaluate the polynomial where x equals a half. So let's put half into our polynomial. So we'll have p to the half equals 2 half cubed minus 9 half squared plus k times a half minus 13. So that will give us 2 times 1/8 minus 9 times a quarter plus k on 2 minus 13. So we'll simplify a bit more. We'll have a quarter minus 9 on 4 plus k on 2 minus 13. And another step where we can say negative 15 plus k on 2. Now, because 2x minus 1 is a factor, and when we substitute half into our polynomial, we should get 0. So we can write negative 15 plus k on 2 equals 0. And this will enable us to find k. So we can write k on 2 equals 15 and cross and multiply by 2. So k will be equal to 30. And that's our required answer. Thanks for watching.